If you write software for a living, here's what I want you to do. I want you to stop trusting your user. No, seriously, there's a million reasons why we should stop trusting our users. Now, don't get me wrong, I love our users. They're why we write our code. But you can't trust them. Your code may be taking data from one device and handing it to another device. But it's important to remember that there is a human at the beginning and the end of that data flow. A human of unknown allegiance, intelligence, motives, capability, or awareness. You have absolutely no control over who is running your software. They could be a kid in the grandmother's basement running scripts they got off the dark web. They could be a state-level hacker trying to break in and get the nation's crown jewels. Or they could be a member of a criminal syndicate. Maybe they're an authorized user who just happens to have a bad day. It doesn't much matter if your code is buried deep in the tech stack, 15 layers from the nearest security boundary or user interface. Defense in depth teaches us that the attacker could be on the other side of the call you're making, or providing your code with the data that they want, not what you want. So the first three aspects of this distrust of the user that I want you to start exercising are: first, we don't take the user's word for who they are. Not without evidence. That's called authentication. Second, we don't automatically let the user do something that they want to do without us first checking it. That's authorization. And third, even if it's just regular user data, we need to make sure that they don't make a mistake and send us data that we don't expect. And that's just defensive programming and sanitizing your inputs. What I'm doing with this channel is bringing secure by design concepts to you in bite-sized pieces. Because as we write code, we make design decisions all day, every day. And if we don't think about security while we're doing it, we can end up creating a vulnerability that will bypass all of the security controls in the network.